So we'll look like a team, don't we?
I think so.
Yeah, in the merch.
Or a really poor boy band.
So for years, people have told us, you know what it is, you should do that for a living. So we're gonna. So we don't normally talk about work on Decimal Tents because, to be honest, Decimal Tents is a passion project, isn't it?
It started in your garage.
It is, yeah. It's like grassroots motorsport in my garage that just sort of went and here we are. So we don't really talk about work, but we thought we'd use this opportunity and this video to tell you exactly what we've got going on. So yeah, we've got the unit and we've got the nice ramps, you've already seen them, but something that we haven't spoke about already is the alignment machine. We've invested quite a bit of money in this Corgi alignment machine because in the past when we've done alignment we haven't really sort of done it that well. I don't think it's, you know, it's
bubble in a magnet.
Yeah, bubble in a magnet, and it, you know, it works to a degree. But now we're knocking it up a step. So we're going to be doing full corner weighting, geometry setup, and we've already tried this out. You know, back-to-back track days with the Lupo. And it's phenomenal, isn't it?
Much better.
It's so good. So this is going to be a service that we can provide. So a full corner weighting and then geometry setup for road cars, track cars, everything. It'll be great. And you all know we're like an engine build around here, and to be honest, if there's a project that typifies Decimal Tents, it's this one back here. This is a 2011 2-litre TSI Scirocco DSG the lot, and this car needed an engine build, and we started that in my garage, and here it is in my unit where we're sort of finishing off doing some little bits and bobs. So just like Decimal Tents has moved from the garage down to here, so is this car. It's crazy really. Loads of videos to come on that, by the way. Hope you like the TSI engine. What are you doing?
We're just doing the fancy, nice little bits now.
We are, yeah. Because it's worth it. It's a really nice car, and it's for a pal as well, so it's really cool. Anyway, on to more. We also like a good engine conversion round here because we've done a few of them in the past.
20 valve in a Mark II.
20 valve in a Mark II. That's coming soon too.
On the channel, you know,
without let us get, you know, you've got a
fully custom made setup like this. No. Fully on the channel.
Wait there, let us.
On the channel, we're known, you know, for vags.
You're good. Yeah. Do you not want to try that again?
Yeah.
Let's record that again.
So, on the channel, you know we're for vags. On the channel, we are known. Okay.
Go on then.
On the channel, we're known for our vag stuff, but everyone likes a good Ford, and you can't get better than a Ford in a kit car. Custom work coming on this. Check out.
We love the weird and original as well, so Z-Tech and a kit car's right up our street. We're going to be doing some work on this, and this is typical of what we like doing, the custom, the little bits, you know, to get stuff like this running. I love all this type of stuff.
You could only top this car by putting a Cosworth engine in.
Cosworth engine. So all of this work that we're going to be doing in the performance tuning sector requires us to have parts. So we've got that in hand too. So we now have an office here at DTHQ, and we also now have a Colin. And this is Colin Robson, our good friend from his years, isn't it?
I remember skinny and
my hot hair.
You could fill a car up for 20 quid, couldn't you?
I know, I wore that old cars. Colin was the bigger boy, he had the cozzy.
Yeah.
Still the bigger boy now, nothing's changed.
So what was 2 is now 3, and the reason we've teamed up with Colin is because he's got a good amount of experience in providing performance car parts. So you've been helping us set up the website, so we now have a decimaltents.co.uk website.
Teamed up such as Powerflex, Forge, copper exhausts, all stuff like gaskets and rods and rings and all sorts really.
So everything that we do, so all of the engine build stuff, it just seemed pointless we're going to elsewhere and getting it. We might as well provide it ourselves. So we've set up accounts everywhere. So if anyone needs any engine build stuff and you like us, you like the channel, or just to give it a go, then without a doubt give it a shot and see what we can do.
Competitive.
Definitely, I will try, because we want the parts for us, but we also might as well sell them to the rest of the world as well. And look, this isn't going to make we're millionaires, let's face it, but it's allowing us to try and live the dream, isn't it?
Yeah. We have a deal for use, and then we live the dream off it, do you know what I mean? We make a little bit of money and away we go, yeah.
Definitely, yeah. And Colin's actually been in the background for quite a while, to be honest, so this isn't like fresh.
It's not day one, is it?
It's not, no.
The jackets are all fresh on there.
The jackets are fresh,
Fresh
yeah. So we've got merch on the go. Why don't we show them the shop?
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's do it.
should we follow you in, or be already in here like magic? Ding!
That we can do that. Do you want to jump?
Not really. Spencer holds me hand.
I know it's daunting. We had this little room at the front of the unit and we didn't know what to do with it because we just essentially didn't need it. It was a storeroom for a bit. So we've decided to, because we're going to be doing this commercially, to make it into a little bit of a waiting room. So we've got some nice seats, a nice tree,
Modelled.
but we've also got an opportunity to show off some of the stuff that we've got on display. So some of the manufacturers that we're involved with now.
We'll talk about before, weren't we?
Yeah, so the forges, the power flexes, anything genuine, all genuine parts are available, plus all the parts that we like, so the really good NGK plugs, which are just essential in 18Ts, T for size, all the rest of it. So we can now provide all of them for all of the builds that we do, plus if you need any parts as well. Have I said that before? Have I? Yeah, I think so. But also, we'll get to provide some of the really, really shiny bits too. You do well, I see. You will. Anything I see it. Sven stand there and go. So yeah, one of the big parts that we're really passionate is the performance, obviously. So it just seems silly not to provide this type of stuff. So all the turbo setups. Yep. What are you doing?
I was trying to get it.
Honestly, it's like building a china shop. That's glass.
Just polished it.
I know. I know. So we've got all the stuff that we're really passionate about as well. So the turbos. You all know we like a rod around here. So it just seems no cheese and
no cheese.
It seems silly not to get involved with all this. So turbos, rods, engine builds, all your engine build stuff, plus DT merch. So we'll look like a team, don't we?
I think so.
Yeah, in the merch.
Or a really poor boy band.
What went wrong? I think we would have been cool in the 90s. But we're stepping the merch up a notch as well, so we've got a new merch supplier, so we're busy trialling hats and jackets and jumpers and all the rest of it, which will be on the website, so go and check it out. Also, it'll all be on my Facebook page as well, so we're going to be doing a lot of stuff on Facebook, so it'll not only be videos, loads and loads of pictures, maybe tech how-tos, and obviously the banter. We love the banter around here.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah. So big things are happening for team...
I was nodding my head there.
No. Can't get it out. So big things are happening for Team DT at the minute. It's really, really exciting for us. We're setting up the workshop, we're setting up the website, the Facebook page is going well, so do a favour if you would, go and give them a check out, give the Facebook page a like, go and share it. That would be nice if you share our Facebook page.
Why don't we pick a winner?
Why don't we?
Pick a winner for a hat?
Tell you what, if you like, share and comment on this video, you'll get Spencer's hat. I'll send you this hat. Like and comment, and then go and check out our Facebook page. I'll give you I'll give you a fresh hat. You didn't want that one.
I'll put that back on now.
You
We
really
want to
don't
see
want
what's
that
under
one.
there.
Well, yeah, exciting stuff. We've got the workshop, the website, all the rest of it. It's really, really cool. And what's even cooler is that people are already buying stuff off it. Yeah. We've even got projects stacking up now. So it's just so good. It's really, really, really humbling as well.
But don't worry, it's not going to turn into a selling site.
Oh no, absolutely. We'll have to just stress this. This channel, this YouTube channel that you're watching now, we're not going to be doing selling on this. This is going to be banter. It's going to be what we get up to. get some how-tos and technicals out the way as well, because we've got head builds, we've got engine builds, we've got funky engine builds coming up, so not just your standard 18T stuff.
We still
all
have a few
sorts of
secrets
stuff.
as well, don't we?
Oh, we've got
there's a couple of things.
got a few tricks up our sleeves.
Projects.
Projects. Let's just call them projects for now.
Projects.
Big things are coming. They really are. It's so exciting. So thanks very much, each and every one of you, for watching the channel, for liking and commenting and all the rest of it. So from Nick, Colin, and Spence, cheers. We'll see you on the next one.